the next very many months.
Entebeekanisa ahizahika hati empungi nibatwarwa mu Uganda Hotel and Tourism Training Institute bahebwa bukugu okumara omwaka gumwe kandi obucweka 75 aharigana batungire obukugu obu kandi abamwe batungire n'emirimo.
It is very, very hard. I know most of you are thinking immediately when we are done with this 1 year we will be employed. You might be lucky employed, you might be unlucky not employed. But the most important thing is, when you go there, try to learn all the skills which you learned.
Uganda, it is which to inehati n'abaana bato abatine emirumu. So ito nkabo mu hotel Uganda Hotel Owners Association tukasharamu kujoining hands with government good enough to atunga support from ILO development partners vile batereza support financial support yo training young people which akutanga kutukora mu hotel city.
Entebeekanisa egi egenderire kuhwera empungi hamwe n'abanya-Uganda abahikize emyaka 18 n'okugaruka haiguru.
Ntitwara both refugees and people from the surrounding communities, so tuna abantu from Mbarara, Kabale, Bushenyi, Ageihangwe, and other refugees. They are supposed to be 18 years and above. Tuna abantu are legally required to work because age program is following the Employment Act and the Labor Act laws of Uganda. Then in batwara for 1 year qualifying a minimum ya senior 4 certificate.
This is a mode of training whereby the training is done at the place of work. If you are here, gentlemen here, what would you like to be at the end of this training? You want to be a good chef, huh? So this gentleman wants to be a good chef, but he has never gone for any formal training of becoming what? A chef.
Tuganireho na bamwe omubahereze kuganyirwa omu ntebeekanisa egi kandi nibagirangwe bahwerire munonga na munonga ahakwongera hantasya yabo.
What means that you learn, so we have a lot of things that you are going to face, so that's why I encourage you, don't be indisciplined. As they told you that the first thing you have to know what first of all you are determined to do.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Anita Atukunda ahabwa TV West.